Well, student, we'll start with the next, that is said to be the Planck's quantum theory. This quantum theory was proposed by Planck, as the name it is there. We know that the light always travel in the form of packets or bundles, and such packets are called as quantum. And this was given by Maxwell. In the beginning we did. So the very first postulate of Planck's quantum theory is that they all travel in the form of bundle, which is said to be quantum. And if this bundle is specifically of light, we say photon. Second, energy is directly proportional to the frequency. Here your h is the Planck constant, and you have a specific value for the Planck constant. And what is that? Whenever you will be doing the numerical, you must know the constant value. It is 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second is your unit. So this is said to be the Planck's constant, and it is the value which you will be using. Nu, you are already aware, frequency. So this equation you will be using for the calculation. If suppose nu is not given and they have given wavelength, so you know nu can also be written as c upon lambda. Why? In wave nature you have studied this relationship. So if in question they have given wavelength, you can convert again that wavelength angstrom, nanometer in meter, and this relationship can be used. So if wavelength is given, you can summarize the top reaction like this, and if directly they have given the frequency, you can give it for equation 1. And this is your Planck constant. You should know the value related to it. Now, so E is equal to h nu or E is equal to hc upon lambda you will be using. The next postulate is that energy is always quantized. Now, what does the quantized means? It means your energy, whatever energy is absorbed or released, it is always in whole number. Whatever energy is absorbed or released is always in whole number. Like 2h nu. 2 is a whole number. If I say this is 1h nu, 3h nu. So we can say the energy is quantized. It is always whatever the energy is absorbed, released, it is in the whole number. You can't say this is not possible, because in fraction the energy is neither absorbed nor released. So in short, your energy should always be quantized. It should be in the whole number. So this is your Planck's theory. Well, just below here you can see the Planck suggested that atoms and molecule could emit energy only in discrete quantities, and he gave the name quantum to the smallest quantity that can be emitted, absorbed in electromagnetic radiation. E is directly proportional to the frequency, and thus we got this relation 2.6. And this is your proportionality constant, that is your Planck constant. And as I told you, whatever the energy is absorbed or released, that is always in the whole numbers.